Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can you predict the next candlestick. But today I'm going to take trades and I want to show you here that what is a SNR. So today I'm going to show you how you can see the SNRs. So you can see I took so many trades in last session and I won all of them by only analyzing the SNR levels. You can see. Okay, so let me show you here. I took my trade with this candlestick. Now what you need to do is, the first thing you need to know that what is SNR. S means support and N means and R means resistance. So this is a SNR. So you can see it is a support. Okay, N means and R means resistance. Okay, so this is a support and resistance. Okay, so I think this point is clear to you all. So what is SNR? SNR is support and resistance. So now how can you know that how it will work? So it is very simple. That now just see, I took my trade here with this candlestick. Let me change the color. Okay, now you can see I took my trade here. So I need to see a support and resistance. Support, resistance, support. So these 1 2 3 4 5 levels are showing me that this is a strong SNR. So candle came to that level and I took my trade and I won my trade here. Now let me show you here. I took my trade here in a down direction and I won my trade here. Why? Because if you analyze, we are talking about the SNR. So where is your SNR? So you can see candle came to that level. Now try to understand this point. Okay, now I want to show you here this chart. Now you can see here a resistance, a support, a resistance. So what does it means? 1 2 3 4 5. So this time market went down from this zone. So you can see this is your R resistance as support, R resistance as support, R resistance. So you have here 7 levels, so therefore you can take your trade by analyzing the market easily. So now I took my trade here with the continuation candle Y. Now if you want to check this area, you can see this candle closed as a bullish and I took my trade with this candle. So if I check the closing point of the candle, I am not seeing a level here. Now you can see this is the area. So there is a gap to the level, so in this zone, in this sector, you can see it is very much visible that there is no support and resistance. So therefore next candle went up. Okay, so now let me show you my this trade. I took my trade here in an up direction Y. Okay, so if you want to check, you can check it like this. So you can see this is the level, the first thing. Okay, the second thing, I need to check the level here. So what I did here, let me show you. You can see this is a support and resistance area. So because of this SNR, you can see here support, resistance, resistance, support. So because of this level I took my trade, because this is a complete SNR. So market is respecting this zone, so therefore I took my trade here, and I can consider this area like this. So because of this trendy market came to this level and went up, and now you can see from exactly that level which I have drawn here, market is going down and it is going down and it is going down. So this is how you can see your SNRs. So okay, let me show you here. I took my trade here in an up direction. Why? So let me show you why I took my trade here. Okay, we need to check the levels or SNR. So you can see there was a gap to the level, and this is a support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. So this whole area is a strong SNR. So when this candle closed, you can see there is a big gap. There is such a big gap to the level. You can see there is a gap. So with this continuation sign I took my trade, and next candle went up. Now I have drawn the level here. From this point you can see it is totally visible that market closed strongly at that level with a rejection. So you need to check your SNRs. Now you can see here support, resistance, support, support, resistance, support, resistance, resistance, and support. So this area is a strong SNR. So therefore market went down, and now you can see market is still going down from this zone, and market is giving you here a pullback because of this reversal area which I have drawn already here. So in this way you can analyze the market. Okay, so I took my trade here in a down direction. Why? Because you can see that, let me draw a level. So if I draw a level here, I am only seeing that there is a buyer's area which is here. So there is a gap. So because of this minor gap I took my trade, and now you can see market went down and closed as a bearish. Let me show you here. So let me show you here. This is your buyer zone. Okay, so this is your zone. So you can see this candle closed with a small gap, so therefore I took my trade and I won my trade, and exactly from that point market is going up. So if you analyze the market like this, you can easily take your trades. So now in this area, where is SNR? So this is a support, resistance, this is a support, this is a support, this is a support, and this is a resistance. So this area is a strong SNR. So because of this level we can expect here a reversals. Now you can see, now I'm going to draw a line here. You can see this is the level. From this point I'm seeing a level, so because of this zone you can trust the area. Now you can see. Okay, so now you can see I draw the lines here. So this is your resistance. Let me show you again. This is your resistance, this is your support, this is your support. So this area is SNR. Why SNR? Resistance, support, support, resistance. So you will see in the future market will definitely reverse from this point. Now you can see market is getting rejection from this zone, market is getting reversal from this zone, market is again reversing from this zone. So this is how you can see the levels and you can win your trades like this. So you need to find the levels. Okay, so if you are able to find the levels, SNR is easy and it is easy to understand. Now in this zone, let me show you. Okay, this area is a strong SNR. Now you can see market is exactly at the level right now. So resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. So this area is a strong area. So if you analyze the market like this, you can expect here a seller's entry. So now you can see sellers are entering into the market. Let me draw the level. Okay, so as I told you, this is your SNR area. So now you can see here in this zone, you can see resistance, support, resistance, support, again resistance. So in this way you can expect here a seller's entry. So let me draw it clearly. So now if I go here with the sellers, you will see here, okay, as I told you, market closed as a bearish candlestick because I was expecting and I was predicting this candlestick. So now you can see this candle is a reversal, and I showed you that on the left side you can see this is your SNR. So therefore this candle reversed and this candle is going down. Why? Because if you analyze the market here, this area is only a reversal zone, but you know your SNR was here, which I have drawn. So because of this area you can see market reversed, again market is going down. So if you analyze the market like this, you will definitely win your trades. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, because I predicted only this candlestick and now you can see market is getting the buyer's rejection. Why? Again I want to show you here these two lines. You can see here these two lines are the support and resistance zone. So therefore these buyers entered into the market. So if you analyze the market like this, you can easily get your winning trade with this candlestick. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye for now. And if you have any kind of queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. So I'm there for you all. Bye for now. Okay, so now I have taken my trade here in an up direction. Why? You can see here a buyer's entry. Now what I'm seeing here is a resistance, so this is a complete SNR, so therefore you will definitely win your trade. So now you will see the market will close above my entry point because I analyzed this SNR area here. Okay, so this will be my last trade. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Bye for now. Stay blessed ahead.